Welcome back to my channel. So Shoni here. If you're new to the channel, I'm actually packing because I'm going on a vacation. So it's actually 11 p.m. in the night right now, and I am leaving tomorrow. I'm a big procrastinator, I know, but anyways, better late than never, right? I'm super excited because I just want to leave the mainland right now. Based on the whole situation in the world right now, I can't chance leaving Japan and probably can't get back in, so I have to just settle for an island or somewhere in Japan. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going somewhere in Japan. Stay tuned, continue watching my channel. I'm gonna post where I'm heading in the coming videos. Anyways, I look hella tired because I am tired. I have been planning this trip on and off because of the coronavirus. It's like I don't know if I should go, but at the same time, I'm not leaving Japan, you understand? And I'm not going to another country where I don't know what they're doing as it relates to prevention of the coronavirus, you know, stuff like that. So I am being cautious. I'm going on a plane, but it's not like I'm going on a plane with people that aren't in Japan, because I have to take public transportation every day. So what is the difference with taking an airplane and it's people who are already in the country? Because it's not like Japan is open for persons to come here for like tourism or stuff like that. It's not. So I'm just putting this disclaimer out there for persons who are gonna be asking like, why the hell is she traveling? You know, I deserve a vacation. I'm honestly tired, and I just wanna break from work and everything. I just wanna relax. You know, wish I could relax on the beach. I'm gonna get to go somewhere that's a little warm, you know, because like right now it's like 0 degrees, -1 degrees. I'm tired of this weather. I need some warmth. I'm tired, like I'm stressed out. Anyway, so enough of me chatting. I'm gonna just start my packing and stuff like that, and try to see if I can pack at least half of the stuff that I need to carry to the island. This angle is very off, but anyways, I need to carry some heels, but I'm wondering what should I carry. Like, I definitely need these because this will go with a lot of the stuff that I'm gonna be wearing. I need to put this in a bag. Do I have anything can wear these shoes with? I have a lot of shoes here that I don't know. I'm just having them like for having them sake. What outfit can I wear this with? I don't even know. I'm not carrying this shoe. Not carrying you. I was planning on carrying this shoe. It's similar to this one that I recently purchased. So I'm not gonna carry it because it's gonna look at me wearing the same shoe, right? So it doesn't make any sense for me to carry this one. This is my old one. Some of these shoes I never had any reasons to carry. I've had these shoes for years, but the thing is with Japan, you don't really wear heels here because you have to walk every freaking where. So unless you're someone who likes to walk in heels for a long time, then you'll wear heels, or you wear heels and then change. I've had these shoes for a very long time and I haven't even worn it since I've gotten here. So I need to wear my shoes. Okay. I think that's it. I don't need to carry any other shoe. I don't think so. I think I'm good. I feel like I need to put these in a bag, but I don't have any bag that's clean. I'm gonna just put them in same way. Alright, so just fold these. Need to look for some jeans. I'm not good at folding stuff. Just packing. I'm attempting to pack. White pants. Actually, my flight is on Christmas Day, but because it's in the early morning, I'm leaving from the 24th. So from the night before, I'm leaving to go to the airport. So actually tomorrow is not my flight, but tomorrow night I'm leaving to go to the airport, if you get what I'm saying. But anyways guys, so I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Right, guys, so I'm heading to the airport right now. It's about 9:30 p.m. My flight is actually tomorrow at 6 a.m. But I need to leave out right now so I can be there in time, because if I try to leave out in the morning, then I wouldn't be able to, because the train doesn't run like 2-3 o'clock in the morning. So I have to set it for, staying at the airport. But anyways, I will see you guys in a bit. I'm on the platform waiting on the train, and I'm super tired. This suitcase takes a lot of energy to push. So yeah, I'm tired already. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in a few. Waiting on my first train. Yeah, the struggles. I'm on the escalator now, and I'm heading to train number 3. I am the only person in this car right now. I'm gonna show you guys, I have 2 more stops before I have to come off, and then I'll be at the airport. So I'm super excited, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need to get something to eat. I'm out the train. I'm gonna check and see where I need to go, because I have no idea. Back to the video. This is me, guys, with my luggage. Guys, so I'm on the island now, but just to let you guys know that as it relates to traveling during a pandemic, I went to 2 airports, the airport that I departed and the one that I arrived. Not many persons were traveling, even though it's Christmas Day, and I think it's just the fact that there's a pandemic and stuff like that, because I went to an international airport, which is Anida, but I took a domestic flight, and there weren't many people at the airport. There weren't many people on the plane that I was on. And as it relates to like the staff at the airport, they tried to limit the contact that they had with the customers. The lighting is perfect anyway, so they tried to limit the contact that they had with the customers. And when I was checking in, there was actually like a monitor thing that checked my temperature, just to ensure that I am safe to travel. So that was good. Yeah, so they monitor a person's temperature without even checking, like using a thermometer or anything like that. It was like an automatic screen thing that just gave me the green light that I could go ahead. Yeah, but so far so good. I'm on the island now, so guys, stay tuned for my vlogs, and I'm gonna reveal the island that I am on. Stay safe, everyone, and happy holidays. So I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.